Hi everyone, this is Andy Phillips, that's LinkedIn, Andrew Phillips IT. Just a very short video to, I guess offer some inspiration to anyone who uses ServiceNow and is familiar with some of the different things you can do with machine learning. ServiceNow machine learning tends to come up in a kind of analytical sense, when talking about trend analysis and reporting and so on. But really, it's actually possible to start in a much more simple way than that. And hopefully this video will just serve as some inspiration to some of the stuff you can do. So I've got an EC2 instance running here with a basic bit of Python application running, which has been trained to classify attachments, specifically documents, type of documents. I've taught it to recognize purchase orders, invoices, that sort of thing. And I've just got a ServiceNow development instance up here, and I've created a custom table just called inquiries to represent something that might kind of be an inbound type of record. I'm just going to go ahead and create a new record here, and I'm going to say, please pay this invoice. I'm going to attach a invoice template, which is just a PDF with a dummy template, basically, of an invoice. So that's that, and I'm just going to go ahead and save that, and this is just a basic task extended table. It's just taking a few seconds because it's running the workflow, but there we go. You can see straight away that it's assigned to accounting, and if we take a look at the workflow, we can see here that I've just done a very crude workflow where I've got a custom activity called it's a custom activity for in this case, it's calling an outbound REST message to my EC2 instance to do some machine learning classification. So basically, if my inquiry has an attachment, then I'm going to send that attachment via the REST API to my EC2 instance, which is running the machine learning classifier. And in this case, it's identified as an invoice, so it can take a different route. Now, I know this is a very unrealistic and crude kind of demo, but I just wanted to give some insight into the fact that by having custom workflow activities that are able to do classification, you can classify not only stuff like attachments, but you could classify incidents or any other kind of record in ServiceNow or elsewhere. And you can use that intelligence to drive different workflows and different processes in ServiceNow. So you could drive automation with intelligence. And remember, this is just classification. We haven't looked at any of the other machine learning techniques out there. So I hope this is a basic intro to some of the stuff that is possible. If you want to talk any of this through or you want some more ideas, just hit me up. So that's Andrew Phillips IT on LinkedIn. Thanks, everyone.